In the system of equations above, c is a constant. If the system has no solution, what is the value of c? So if you hear a system of linear equations doesn't have any solutions, it means it's made up of two parallel lines. Looking at the equations, you can tell that lines are parallel if they have the same slope. So the concept here is that parallel lines have the same slope. So if that's the case, that means this slope here, which is 1/2, has to match the slope here. So c then must be 1/2 as well. Now bear in mind, there's another scenario in systems of equations where you have infinitely many solutions. In that case, you would not only have the same slope, you'd have the same slope, but also you would have the same y-intercept, which means you would have the same exact equation. But for this one, we're looking at no solution, therefore we just need to focus on the slopes being the same. C must be 1/2. That's it.